If you or any member of your family or any significant others of yours, if they are related or you are related by blood or marriage to Maggie Murdaugh, Paul Murdaugh, or defendant
That's
Richard
all of
Alexander Murdaugh, any of you are any significant other of yours, socially acquainted, related by blood or marriage to Maggie Murdaugh, Paul Murdaugh, and Richard Alex Murdaugh. If so, please stand.
And this is a town of 4,500 people. They're all hanging around socially. Their family has been in control of this town allegedly since like 102 years.
I believe it, though, Jeff. I do believe that.
My brother-in-law is of the Gomez family, which is very well connected.
It's a small South Carolina town. They could actually all be related.
All right. Number 129. All right, thank you, ma'am. And someone on this side, yes, ma'am.
180, my grandmother's side of the family are related down the line to A.R. Murdaugh's down the line.
There you go. My grandmama's family, they're Murdaughs down the line. They be fucking.
My friend's neighbor, sister, mama, cousin, who's actually my niece, is related to him.
My mother, my brother, my sister, and my friends. For the others, my lover, all past and present.
I am your father's brother's nephew's cousin's former roommate.
What's that make us?
Absolutely nothing.
Sled, 14th Circuit Solicitor's Office or Attorney General's Office. So please stand if any of you or any of your immediate family members have been investigated by, arrested by, charged by, or
Everybody stands up.
Yeah.
Colleton County Sheriff's Department.
Has anybody in this little town
Law
ever been
Enforcement
prosecuted
Division,
for anything?
Solicitor's
Yeah.
Office of this circuit, or the Attorney General's Office. If so, please stand.
I was expecting to hear like chair shuffling.
Yes, ma'am.
My spouse,
And what about your spouse?
he was investigated.
Right. And
For what? Tell us
by
what
which
for.
agency?
Sheriff's Department.
And would that fact affect your ability to be a fair and impartial juror?
Yes.
Fuck yeah.
Thank you. Yes, sir, in the back.
26, in 2015, was arrested in Georgia.
He just stands up.
And you were?
Your Honor, fuck the police.
Yeah. And by which agency?
Pushes play on the NWA album.
Yeah.
Your Honor, fuck the police.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
And would that fact affect your ability to be fair and impartial?
Someone stands up. I listen to
All right,
Nick
thank you, sir.
Rekieta and I hate all
Yes,
prosecutors.
ma'am.
He's facing prison time, and Binger is an unethical piece of literal fucking garbage. I don't care. Look, I'll mitigate a lot of what I say about various lawyers. Binger is garbage, and I will not back down from that. And if he wants to go ahead and challenge me on it, I will bring a can and throw him in it, and the can won't protest because it'll be like, you're home, Binger.
And Flux, on second thought, let me be put on a jury. I would love to pass some judgment. Okay, Flux.
Flux and I all the way. Jury teammates. Let's go.
This is the
Yeah.
problem. Y'all want to be. You all have to get on because you want to be on. That's the
I
problem.
totally would.
Yeah, that's the problem.
I'd
I think it would be
to the
fun.
jurisdiction and just kind of hang out.
Yeah.
I'd register.
But in a legitimate way, if you really, really want to know, one of the quickest and easiest and least socially damaging way, such as like saying race, I'm a racist. If you don't want to go down that path and you want to be guaranteed,
Well, it's an
to serve on
equivalent,
a
right?
jury.
It's an equivalent. I'm
Yeah,
a lawyer is an equivalent to I'm a.
That's it.
Come on, come on.
That's
It's
literally
equivalent
it.
to I'm a bigoted, misogynist, racist. All this. I'm a lawyer is just as bad. It's just as bad, Jeff.
That's
true.
literally it. If you want to guarantee not to sit on a jury, become a lawyer. Danny, you were going to say something?
No, that's it. He's absolutely
Yeah.
right. Either you come in, doing a friggin' Nazi salute, standing in front of the judge saying, I hate everybody, all races, Your Honor. I hate myself. I hate God. All of it. You
Yeah.
just go all the way down the list. And then you're like,
Damn them all to hell. You know?
and F you too, and F this court. This isn't even a real court. That's it. You come in as a soft civ, you'll be kicked out.
Not lean
Let's
into
get Robin
that.
DeAngelo on here.
At risk
I'm a
of
racist.
correcting and ignoring my instincts or
Somebody clip
anything like that.
Uncivil saying I'm a racist.
Didn't seem like that person.
Yeah,
but just
thanks.
wanted to ask
That's
if
great. Thanks, Nick.
it frees you up, in a sense,
I appreciate that.
to
Anytime.
make decisions.
You. I'm out.
This is a violation of UCC code.
Because a
And see,
soft
that's-
sit lawyer on the same level under
Yep.
the Aspen foot.
Soft civ,
Well, see-
racist attorney in that order.
Yeah, and see, that's the thing. I mean, that's the scary thing. The lawyers for both sides don't want someone who knows, understands, and can apply the law fairly. They want, like, as we saw at the very, very beginning, as the argument had, and as Steve Gosney was saying, they want someone who agrees with them and will follow their theory of the case, regardless of what it is.
I love that he was so honest about that too, because I thought he would come in with like a canned answer, the one where it's like, I just want a fair and impartial jury.
3 to
of
come
my
forward.
peers.
But now the
Give me
exciting
answers.
thing is, all of those questions we just heard, we get to hear those 3 or 4 more times with other groups.
Yay!
Awesome. Hey, Judge, what's up?
To stay with us. We want you all to come up one.
It's Gordon B. Hinckley.
One
For
at
those
a
of you that
time.
know,
First
you
year,
know.
Number 26.
Oh, he is a Black Gordon B. Hinckley. I also thought, who's the one that plays God and is
Morgan Freeman. You think he looks like Morgan Freeman?
He's got a Morgan Freeman.
Yo,
vibe.
you are so racist, Danny. Come on.
Why? Because I said he's black?
Yeah.
Yeah, Gordon B. Hinckley was a former president of the Mormon Church. Looks sort of kind of like him.
No. I was gonna say this is a great way to get disqualified. If you say you follow me or Jeff or Danny or even worse, potentially a criminal that just sent a super chat, you definitely, if you follow Sean, you're 100% excluded from every jury, especially the federal juries, especially with glowies like Danny. That I have to testify.
Potential
I'm just saying.
glowy. Come on, man.
Potential. Yeah.
Potential. I'm going for the
potential,
yuv. I'm
sorry.
going to save a
I want to.
okay?
I'm manifesting. We're manifesting.
We're
Danny.
manifesting. Okay. That's the question you should always ask yourself. Would I want
Would
you on
you
the
in-
jury?
Would you impanel you? I wouldn't impanel you.
Exactly.
I would. I like me. I'd be awesome.
You'd impanel you?
I would. I'd be fair and impartial, and whether people wanted me to be or not, I'd set them straight.
As an administrator, I'm happy with this.
I'm hearing that.
Something was funny. I think he's a county administrator.
So number 387, I'm sorry you have to come behind that. Number 387.
Alvin County School District, but middle school, I'm single.
Thank you very much. Happily single.
Dunkin' Donuts, I also go to school and I'm single.
Thank you.
I'm trying to change that, but you know.
Finally, someone laying it down.
He's like over there checking out who said single.
Is there anybody?
Are there potential jurors hearing this? No, there are no jurors in the courtroom. It's likely that they have paused or they have finished qualifying the panels, and I'll go look. It's likely they finished qualifying the panels and now they are doing motions, and then they will start the voir dire process because they need to finish the motions before they start the voir dire process, because there's things they might want to ask the jurors about in voir dire, or they might want the judge to ask the jurors about in voir dire. I'm going to use those things interchangeably just because of what I'm familiar with from all my trial experience. So they might have things they want the judge to ask the jurors, and they need to do those in motions. So we're going to do those in motions. Now, what they've already decided is that with regard to the blood spatter expert, they have decided that they will not mention it, not a mention of it to the jury. And if they decide to call that witness, then they will bring the motion before the court about whether that will come in. Then we also see how there's this portrait here in the back of the courtroom and there's a big blank wall there. Yeah, that's where this defendant's granddaddy's portrait was taken out of the court before trial. This is Creighton Waters, the prosecutor. This is Dick Harpootlian, the lead defense attorney. This is Alec Murdaugh, the defendant, dressed like one of the lawyers at counsel table. Are you shocked? No. This is a whole team of prosecutors, more than I've seen in most cases.
Defense advises the court, and we have the opportunity to address those issues.
He doesn't believe him at all.
The jury, get guidance from the court before we proceed.
Oh my goodness, Judge, I would never consider reporting it.
Your Honor, I would never. The prosecutor
Very
doesn't
good.
believe you, Dick. Illegal Eagle lied to us. He said that if you went into the well, the bailiff would tackle you. I want to see some tackling. I feel that we have all been lied to. And that's true in a lot of jurisdictions. You don't walk in the well without permission. You ask for permission.
So we obviously would not blurt out polygraph. We would ask for ask the jury to be excused. And
He
deal
doesn't
with
believe
those
you,
issues, or
Dick.
third-party deal with those issues at the appropriate time during the trial.
This defense attorney's name is Dick. I am not calling him names. I'm going to call him by his name, which is Dick. But the prosecution doesn't believe that this defense attorney won't just slip it already in. Oh, and he's probably, yeah, he's definitely had to deal with Dick. I need to see Devin tackle Dick. Legal Eagle, get down to South Carolina and do some tackling.
That's what she said.
You know, Attorney General has not litigated a lot of civil cases. I have, since 1986, been trying to get more than just...
The prosecutor has not argued a lot of civil cases. Facts. But I have been arguing these since 1986. This is going to be a dramatic trial, and I'm here for it.